Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Max's caramel bars. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth baking process. You'll need basic pantry staples like flour, sugar, and butter, along with a few special additions to create that signature rich, chewy texture. Get ready to bake a treat that everyone will love, perfect for any occasion or just a sweet craving. First, let's create the foundation for our caramel bars, the crust. We'll combine the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy, then gradually incorporate the egg yolks for richness. Next, we'll gently fold in the dry ingredients, being careful not to overmix. This ensures a tender, not tough base. Spread this mixture evenly into your prepared pan, ready for its initial bake. Now for the star of the show, the rich caramel layer. While some recipes bake the caramel directly, for Max's style, the caramel is integrated into the batter itself. We'll combine the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract with our prepared batter. This creates a wonderfully gooey and flavorful base that bakes into a soft, chewy caramel-like texture. This step is crucial for achieving that distinct Max's taste. With our batter ready, it's time to bake these delightful bars. Sprinkle about 1 cup of chopped nuts, like almonds or cashews, evenly over the top for a lovely crunch. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until golden brown. Once baked, let them cool completely in the pan before slicing into perfect, bite-sized pieces. Store them in an airtight container for lasting freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.